Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to science class. Today we are going to start our second lecture on chapter 9. Our today's topic is technology in agriculture. We basically used our technology in three different sectors of our agriculture. Our first sector is agricultural equipment. We invent different types of agricultural equipment with the help of our modern technology. Our second topic is production of crops. Our science and technology help us to invent different types of crops or plant which can meet our overpopulated country's demand. Our third topic is other technologies in agriculture. Our first point is agricultural equipment. Here we have a list of agricultural equipment used in our agriculture, such as tractor, planter, sprinkler, irrigation pump, harvester and milking machine. These technologies helps us to produce more food in shortest period of time, and we also need less manpower for producing lot of foods. So student, here I am providing you some picture of this agricultural equipment. So student, now we are going to discuss about our second point. The name of our second point is production of crops. We use different types of agricultural technologies in our production, and we can create new plants which have some special qualities. If our farmers cultivate those plants which have some special qualities, then it will benefit it for them. So now let's have a look on those points. Technologies helps us to produce plants which can resist different types of diseases and pests. Those special qualities of plants can grow very fast. They can increase the amount of production, and last of all, these plants also reduce farmers' workload. So these are the main 4 points that why we use modern technology in our production of crops. Our third topic is other technologies in agriculture. We can collect our forest resource with the help of modern technologies. It can reduce the time of collecting resources, and we can accomplish our work very quickly. Our second point is invent new variety of plants. With the help of new variety of plants, we can decorate our home, or we can decorate our city very easily, or we can produce different types of different qualities foods with the help of our technologies. So that is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.